There we were at Telford crossing, and the fence, the Harris fencing's down, and well, I mean that's inevitable, isn't it? That was a storm, I can't remember, like 2 years ago or something. Right, and we've got, so there's that bridge right there. Yeah. Look at that, what a thing that is. It's brilliant. And this, I think it's just been, people have just said, fuck it, we'll just use it. I think that guy's just used it. Right. So, I mean, who knows how long it'll take for me to get that fixed.